Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a WACOM MovinkPad 11 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Pad. Then let's scroll down again to localize the option build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. After that, you have to tap on System in this left section and open Developer Options. And now scroll down just a little bit to find the option Automatic System Updates. If in your case it is turned off, simply tap on the switcher, and since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the update whenever it will be restarted, and of course whenever the update is available. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.